Hello and welcome to Al Tech Al Time, a technology channel that brings you the latest and greatest in the world of technology. From cutting-edge gadgets to innovative software solutions, we cover it all. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about the latest trends, Al Tech Al Time has got you covered. Join us as we explore the exciting world of technology and its impact on our daily lives. In this video, we will explore the growing trend of automation in the industry, the impact that robotics technology is having on the workforce, and how to keep up with robotic technology. Over the past few decades, various industries have seen a significant shift toward automation. With the advancements in robotics technology, machines are becoming more sophisticated and capable of performing tasks that were once done by human workers. This shift towards automation has been driven by a number of factors, including the need to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and increase productivity. As robotics technology continues to advance and replace certain human tasks, it's important for us to adapt and develop new skills to stay relevant in the workforce. Here are a few things that we can do to keep up with robotics. First and foremost, focus on developing soft skills. While robots can perform many tasks more efficiently than us, they are still unable to replicate certain skills, such as creativity, critical thinking, and empathy. Therefore, it's important for us to focus on developing these soft skills, as they will be increasingly in demand in the workforce. Point to note. Second, embrace lifelong learning. With technology advancing at a rapid pace, it's important for us to embrace lifelong learning and continue to acquire new skills throughout our careers. This can involve taking courses, attending workshops, or pursuing advanced degrees. Third, be open to change. As certain jobs become automated, it's important for us to be open to change and willing to adapt to new roles and responsibilities. This may involve switching to a different industry or taking on a new role within their current organization. Well, I have told you. Fourth, collaborate with robots. Rather than viewing robots as a threat, you can collaborate with them to improve efficiency and productivity. This can involve working with robots to optimize workflows, improve quality control, or perform tasks that are difficult or dangerous for you and your colleagues. Last but not least, develop specialized knowledge. While robots can perform many tasks, they still require human oversight and maintenance. Therefore, developing specialized knowledge in robotics and automation can provide new career opportunities in fields such as robotics engineering, programming, and maintenance. In short, we can stay relevant in the age of robotics by developing soft skills, embracing lifelong learning, being open to change, collaborating with robots, and developing specialized knowledge in robotics and automation. Thank you for watching Al Tech Al Time. We hope that our content has helped you stay informed and inspired about the ever-evolving world of technology. As we continue to push the boundaries of innovation, it's important to stay informed and keep up with the latest trends. Don't let time catch up with you. Stay ahead of the curve by subscribing to our channel and following us on social media. Remember, technology is constantly changing and evolving, and we'll be here every step of the way to keep you informed. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.